Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back to a new video. Today I decided to change my hair, get me a haircut. Apparently, he cut my hair so ugly. He put a popcorn hat. But we're gonna escape this guy for sure. Alright. Oh no, there's gigantic cones. Keep your hair natural. People are already dying. Okay, lip gloss. So no. What kind of salon is this? This is surely not the beauty salon. So sharp. I need to get out of this barbershop immediately, quick as I can. Alright, so. No, not these. These are. Oh no, I died. No! No! Yeah, anyway, so. I'm trying to get out of here before so I can go to a new barbershop and he can do my hair. Oh, I purposely ran into that thing. I don't know why I did. Oh, what happened? Alright. Wait, what? What? No, I don't know. Notepad, no. What happened? Apparently I must have clicked on Notepad. Alright, let's see. Alright, there we go. Oh no. There we go, we finally got past the beauty salon. Now we got these sharp stuff. That was easy. Oh, but how? Gotta get out. No, I fell and I died. I say never jump from heights, or else you'll end up. Wait, that doesn't make any sense. I touched it. Now that time I did that. Look at my teeth, so glamorous. I guess I'm like in fourth place. I hear doors everywhere. Maybe I need. Wait, what? How did I not do that? I literally. Wait, what? I didn't touch it. I'm getting angry. I'm so angry. Yes, we did. Can I get on the rail? Oh yeah, I can. Yes, I did it. Another one. And another one. I'm so proud of myself. This is the easiest part. Oh gosh, I have to get a free box. I got a free Chrome box. That was easy. Oh no. Ah, this. Why did she jump in the hair? I cannot. Gonna jump for it. Yes! We got to avoid these sharp razors. Alright, now we have to get. I just had to have a minute with my anger. I know. We all have anger inside of us, like exactly like me. But not for obbies, because people say obbies are not easy. Oh, what? Move out of my way, you default. Move out of my way, you default. I'm a pro. Bro, why do I hear doors everywhere? This is the part. Yes! Yes, I did it again. Do it again! Oh no. What happened here? Why is there purple fluid in here? Why are we jumping on dummies' heads? Like, I'm not calling none of them dummies? That's just the name they call it. Ooh, that was a close one. Okay, this thing's growing. Ah, 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 ah. That was good. Oh no. Who's trying to dye their hair? This pink hair dye kills me, apparently. Did you even I'm not even touching it. Okay, let's get started from here. There we go. Ah! 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 What? Apparently the door is locked, so we have to go through the suit. Yeah, I didn't want to touch that anyways, so let's go ahead and try that again. Jump. Jump. Wait, what? That doesn't make any sense. I swear I didn't touch it. I swear I didn't touch it. That's how a pro does it. Zooms all the way out. Wait, what? I did. That box was further. Wait, what? I clicked the space bar. I literally clicked the space bar. My space bar must be broken. Oh, double jump. Wait, I did. What? I clicked the space bar. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to talk to the creator about this game. Now my space bar wants to work. Haha, so funny. I touched it! Yes! Yes, that's a pro right there. Wait, what? What? I didn't touch it. I swear I touched it. Oh. Wait! I touched. What is wrong with my keyboard? I swear my keyboard's broken. There, that's how we did it. Alright, this is a speedrun, I'm guessing. Okay, this is a speedrun. But I don't get how it's a speedrun. Oh. Wait, what just happened? Anyways, guys, the video's gonna end here. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see y'all later.